What's up guys, it's Max from PGR Tech here. Today we're going to be building my very first PC. This PC will include a range of high-end components from the i7-8700K to the GTX 1070 Ti. Enjoy! This insane build will include the Intel i7-8700K, which will be cooled by the Kraken X72, a 360mm AIO with a great cooling capacity. Also accommodating the MSI Z370 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard is 16GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR4 RAM running at 3000 MHz and a 250GB lightning fast Samsung 970 EVO NVMe M.2 SSD for the operating system and other important software. Then we have our brilliant EVGA GTX 1070 Ti SC Black Edition, which will power through all modern AAA games at ease. Powering our system is the EVGA 750W GQ power supply, which has a whisper silent eco mode and an 80+ gold efficiency rating, all while being semi-modular. So as you can see, the PC turned out amazing, it works fine, took me about 5 hours. So yeah, this shows that anyone out there can build a PC, just like I did. Thanks for watching, bye.